Hey there, YouTubers! Hi there, Dr. Sheep here. Welcome back to another DIY. Yes, DIY like 12, I think. And this time I'm harvesting on the Christmas season again. We've decorated the Christmas tree. Now we need the almighty and all famous gingerbread house. So take a look at this. Pre-assembled from Walmart. Now, it's not pre-decorated, just pre-assembled here. So we'll do an unboxing here. See how Wilton.com gingerbread houses. See how their packaging is. And see if it survived. Honestly, I've been beating this thing around, forgetting just how delicate they are. Is this the frosting? Yes, this is the frosting. It says, do not microwave, right on the package. Well, of course you can't microwave it. It's freaking foil. It'll burn down your microwave. Are these instructions? You don't need those, you have me. Oh. Oh, it's fondant. No wonder it's so hard. Okay. Piping bag. Some mint candies. Some sort of other candies. Random mint candy. A nozzle for the piping bag. There's, that's nice. There's little cardboard holders. Okay. So obviously we can make it look however we want. Don't need that. So here's the house. Ooh. See, kids, this is why you should always be careful when you're working with your house here, especially when if you ever buy a house. There's a crack in the roof right there. If you can't see that, that's definitely something you want to be looking for when you're buying a house. But I bought this house blind, so I had no idea. Now, obviously, you want to make sure your knife is clean and your hands are clean, especially if you're going to eat this. However, I don't eat sweets. We're not going to eat this. Not today, anyways. Not in this video, but what am I going to do with it if I'm not going to eat it? There's other things you can do with the gingerbread house other than eat them. Maybe I will pop open the instructions, look and see what their plan is for this frosting, and oh my gosh, somebody's trying to text me. Yeah. I'm gonna get the frosting bag set up and then I'll be back with you in a bit. Welcome back to Cooking with Dr. Sheep. So you're gonna want to take that silver bag filled with frosting, cut a corner of it out, and then cut a corner of the frosting bag, stick the frosting plastic little tip down into the bottom of the thing, and then squeeze your frosting in. Now, try and get it as far down in the frosting applicator as possible, because I end up with a bunch up here. Now there's frosting everywhere up here. Anyways, then you're gonna just want to twist that pretty tight. Oh, look at that, it's already coming out. Alright, so yeah. Then let's begin the decorating process, shall we? You know, you can just do whatever kind of design you want for the roof. Doesn't really matter. Am I using two hands? Yes. Why? Because I lack the dexterity to actually just use one hand. And wow, the roof on this place is so cracked, unbelievable. So yeah, I know the actual way of doing this. You're supposed to use one hand, but I'm too weak. Okay. All right. The women or the men that bake this, have you seen their arms? They're buff AF. I tell you what, they do this all day, every day. You know, I can't compete with that. Okay, so turn this around so you guys can see my masterpiece there. Wow, looks so great. Now we're gonna try and do like a hoop of some sort. Wow, you know, I could use some Beatles music right now, you know. Too bad it's copyright. You know, every time I'm being artistic, I like to listen to Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band. Sgt. Pepper's Copyright Club Band. We hope you will enjoy the copyright warning. Now, most people would, you know, do the same roof tile pattern on both sides. Obviously, that's not what I'm going for. So obviously, I don't care. We have some green fondant here, okay? And fondant smells horrible. Like, somebody's gonna eat this. Somebody would eat this. Like, this is... Okay? We're gonna give our house some shrubbery, alright? Okay, there we have some nice shrubbery. I'm gonna put it on this other side as well. Oh boy. The house is coming detached from the foundation, i.e. the piece of cardboard it sits on. That's not good. Alright, I'm gonna readjust the camera. So I wanted to bring you guys in closer for my next trick, we'll say. So now we need a door. I actually sell doors, so I know all about them. Ta-da! There's our door. I also happen to sell windows, so you gotta give her some nice windows. Now, I hate we call them grills in the industry. They're the crosses on the windows that you see a lot when people make gingerbread houses. I hate them. But this is a gingerbread house, so a non-crossed window would look kind of funny. Well, if it were square too, honestly. Like the great YouTuber Rosanna Pantera once said, frosting takes forever to dry. So, you know, good enough. The one side is drooping a little bit, but that's fine. Now, obviously, if this were my house, I'd want a big reef up top. And they gave me more green than reds. What kind of segregation is this? This is bull crap. Let's give her some nice... Let's give her a nice back door, shall we? Oh God. I kind of didn't... You know what? Let's do some kind of expensive windows out the back here. Okay? They go all the way to the ground. And they're super tall. Wow, that icing just runs. See, now we need some lights though. And this frosting here is too dry. So let's apply a thick layer for our LED lights, according to Ryan F. LED lights are super nice. So these are our LED lights here. Oh God, what kind of candies are these? I'm not going to try them because I don't eat candies. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of them. Holy cow. Now, somebody might ask, why on earth would any normal human being put Christmas lights on the very top of the house? Well, truth be told, you wouldn't. Unless Santa Claus is real. And kids, Santa Claus isn't real. Science says otherwise. I mean, okay. say there was a human-like person who could live forever. Okay, max lifespan of a person is 9,000 years. Fun fact. But anyways, if Santa Claus were real, he would want to know how to get to your house, or which house is yours. So if you put lights on top, like I am doing, he'll find your house. Alright, look at that. Beautiful light job there. Let me get this closer so you can really see these lights on top here. I'm getting frosting over the table. Of course, though, I still have like a billion of these. Well, what am I supposed to do with all these? I don't know. I still have a bunch of mints too. I know what I'm going to do with those. That's what the front of the house looks like now. So a few mints left over. So there you go. And honestly, what I see some people do is they go and they just apply frosting to the entire roof. Oh my gosh, it's gonna get on my lights. The water bottle I used to describe snow. This angel crap. Yeah, I think he's right. If angels are real, then this is their crap. Alright, I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna get some B-roll footage of it, and then we have one last step. Alright, so the last step is destroying this gingerbread house. Now, we're famous for destroying lots of DIYs we do. Pumpkins, Christmas trees, we ate turkey instead of, just leaving it the way it was. How do I destroy the gingerbread house? Well, we could use those rockets like we used for the pumpkins, but I'm out of those. We could use artillery shells like we used for the underwater fireworks and the pumpkins. But, none of those really bring me satisfaction other than the rocket. I think the best way to satisfy my need to destroy this house is with a wooden slug and my air cannon. To the field! 90 psi. 3, 2... Holy crap! Holy crap! Oh my gosh! There's nothing left! The poor house! Gone! Reduced to atoms! I think that's the roof there. That's a wall. What happened to our front door? Is this it? No, that's another section of the roof. Wait, hold on. This is, oh, that's another section of the roof. Maybe this is the, no, that's the roof. Where the heck, where'd the front door go? I'm gonna get this cleaned up, find my, wooden plug, and we'll sign off. Well, I found the plug. Damn it, got a dent in it. I couldn't find the front door. I'll have to look at the footage. Obviously there'll be slow-mo, but honestly I think it got disintegrated. Anyways, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos every other Friday, 2 p.m. Central Time. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah and whatever other holiday you celebrate. And from my house to yours, or what's left of my house anyways, good night. Subs for trees, subs for trees, subs for trees, subs for trees. Oh, you're still here? I thought I told you to go home. Oh, you want more? I'm flattered. Check out the playlist. If you want exclusive content, check out my Instagram, Dr_sheep_YouTube. That's all lowercase. If you want to help the earth, subscribe. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to plant 10 trees. If you feel that's too small, then check out my channel chart where I lay out even bigger goals. Finally, stick around for the next 20 seconds to give me that sweet watch time. Bye.